Hi everyone, in this video I would like to discuss the division of the polynomials by a linear expression. Today I am going to focus two methods to divide a polynomial by a linear expression. Let's see what the two methods are. One of them is the lone division, the other one is the synthetic division. The lone division is the most common division, and the synthetic division also we can use the division algorithm, and it's easier than the lone division. Okay, let's see what it is. Okay, here the lone division and the synthetic division. As my first example, I'll consider a quadratic expression. I want to divide it by a linear expression. This is my quadratic expression, x square plus 3x plus 2. I have to divide by x plus 1. Here. Now, the lone division, we know that x square plus 3x plus 2, I had to divide by x plus 1. What is the first step? We have to divide x square by x. What is it? If I divide x square by x, the answer is x. X times x is x square. X times 1 is x. Now we have to subtract these two expressions. 3x minus x is 2x. 2 minus 0 is 2. Now we have to divide 2x by x. Yeah, what is 2x divided by x is plus 2. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 1 is 2. Then if you subtract, this is 0. The remainder is 0, and the quotient is equal to x plus 2. That means x plus 1 is a factor of x square plus 3x plus 2. That's all right. Now, let's go to the synthetic division. We'll see what it is. Okay. Synthetic division. Then we have to divide x square plus 3x plus 2 by x plus 1. The first one, you have to draw a sign like this. Then you have to write the coefficient of this given expression. 1, 3 and 2. Here we have to write a number. To get that number, we have to equate x plus 1 to 0. What is it? X is equal to negative 1. Write negative 1 here. Add 0 to the first coefficient or the first number, it is 1. Now you have to multiply 1 times negative 1. Then you have to put here, it is negative 1. Then you have to add these two. 3 plus negative 1 is 2. Again you have to multiply 1 and negative 1 and 2. It is, what is it? It is, we know that it is negative 2. You have to add these two. What is it? 0. Then here, what is this one? Actually, this is the remainder 1. Then we know that x square divided by x is 1. That means this is the coefficient of x. The quotient, the first. That means the quotient is x plus 2. Okay, let's move to my next example. It is actually cubic equation. It is x3 minus 2x square minus 5x plus 6 has to divide by x minus 3. I'll do the lone division first. x3 minus 2x square minus 5x plus 6 has to divide by x minus 3. Now x3 divided by x is x square. We have to write the x square here. X square times x is x3. X square times negative 3 is negative 3x square. If we subtract two expressions, x3 minus x3 is 0. Negative 2x square minus 3 square is x square minus 5x plus 6. Now we have to divide x square by x. What is it? If we divide x square by x, it is x. We have to write x here. X times x is x square minus 3x. If we subtract these two, negative 2x plus 6, we have to divide negative 2x by x. It is negative 2. You have to put negative 2. Negative 2 times x, negative 2x. Negative 2 times 3 is plus 6. What is it? It is 0. However, we know the remainder is 0 and the quotient is x square plus x minus 2. Let's do the same question by using synthetic division. Okay. x3 minus 2x square minus 5x plus 6 has to divide by x minus 3. Then we have to draw this one. The first step, you have to write down what the coefficients are. 1, negative 2, negative 5, 6. Then we have to write a number here. That means x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3. That means we have to equate this to 0 to get this number to write here. Yeah, it is 3. Now we have to add 0 to the first coefficient. 1 plus 0 is 1. Now you have to multiply these. 3 times 1 is 3. You have to add them. Negative 2 plus 3 is 1. Again, you have to multiply this one times this. 3 times 1 is 3. If we add them, it is negative 2. Again, now we have to multiply this one by this. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. The remainder is 0. However, the remainder is 0. We know that earlier we had done. Okay. What these numbers? This is 1, positive 1, 1 and negative 2. Actually, they are the coefficient of the quotient. That means x square plus x minus 2. That is the quotient. However, we got the same answer earlier. I'll go to another question. However, I would like to discuss this question by using synthetic division. What is the question? My question is x3 plus 5x square plus 7x plus 2 divided by x plus 3. Okay. Now, what is the first step is we have to write down what the coefficients. Yeah, 1, 5, 7 and 2. Then we have to write a number here. To write that number here, we have to equate x plus 3 to 0. X is equal to negative 3. Negative 3. Then you have to add 0 to this one. 1. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Then you have to add them. 2. Then negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. You have to add them. It is 1. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. 2 plus negative 3 is negative 1. Then it is, we know that remainder is negative 1. And the quotient, these are the coefficient of the quotient, x square plus 2x plus 1. Consider another example. It is x4 plus 3x3 minus 2x square minus x plus 5 is divided by x minus 2. If you want to use the long division, we can use the long division. That's all right. I'll explain the synthetic division. What is it? The first step I have to write down 1, 3, negative 2, negative 1, 5. You have to put a number here. You have to write a number here that to get that number x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. Then add 0 to here, 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Then you have to add these numbers 5. Then you have to multiply 2 and 5. It is 10. Then you have to add them. It is 8. Again you have to multiply 2 and 8. 16. It is 15. You have to multiply this 2 and 15. It is 30. 35. What is this one? This is the remainder. 35 is the remainder. The quotient is, because it's a quadratic equation divided by the linear equation, the quotient is the cubic equation. It is x3 plus 5x square plus 8x plus 15. However, I have explained the synthetic division here, but if you are asked to do the long division, you have to get used to do the long division. This is an easy way to check your answers. Thanks for watching my video. I would like to explain more easy methods like the synthetic division in my next videos. Please subscribe to my channel, then you can watch my new videos. Thank you very much.